Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you all how I prepare this spicy oven baked fish. Please stay tuned and enjoy the video. For this recipe, I'll be making use of the habanero pepper, the red bell pepper and onion as displayed on your screen. Then I proceeded on grating it, and this is what the pepper looks like after grating. After grating, I proceeded on frying the sauce, and this was done within 4 minutes. The reason I did this is to ensure it is not overly cooked. Because I like spicy food, I decided to add the chili powder to the sauce to make it more spicy. Then I proceeded on adding my chicken seasoning and then my salt, and basically this was all I used in preparing the sauce. After frying, I allowed to cool for 30 minutes before using it to coat the fish. Before coating the fish, I made a little cut on the body of the fish on both sides to ensure that the sauce penetrates into the fish. You can see me adding the sauce to the cut part of the fish. You can see me putting it in enough of it to ensure that it is well seasoned. I later transferred the fish onto the surface of the foil that will be used for the grilling, and then I also continued to add more of the sauce on the fish. After the coating process, I decided to garnish the fish with green bell pepper and onion before wrapping it up. I then wrapped it and baked at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. And this is what it looks like after baking. Oh my goodness, check this out. It's so juicy, and you can really tell from this that it is well marinated and so tasty. And in all, it is so spicy. So let's enjoy and have fun as we eat this together. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and share. And for those who are yet to subscribe to my channel and you're watching this video right now, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.